Hello, good morning, dear students. In the virtual class, we learn about the attributes of the TR and the TD text. And I have to be give the one task, and I have forgot it in the virtual class that you have to be complete this learning by doing task. Create your exam timetable that include the columns SR number, date, subject, and use column or the row span to merge cells whenever required. So what you have to do, you have to be made a one table that will be contain the three columns. SR numbers means the sequence, date and the subject. आपको एग्जाम का टाइम टेबल कैसे होता है वो आपको पता होता है. And at that time you have to use row span or the column span. Okay, whenever you needs that, if you want to show that I have to be show it in the effective manner, then you can use that. Okay. So now we are going for the next topic, that is the creating a hyperlinks. What is the hyperlink? How can we use the hyperlink? That will be already comes in the previous one. The previous years, that will be a topic comes named the hyperlink. If you don't know the name, I will show you what is the hyperlink. Simply, I will search about our school, Udar International School, Himmatnagar. So whenever I search, that way will be, you can see that there are many links are available on this. These are called the web pages and these are the websites. Whenever I click on this, then it will be directed to the other web page. So you can see that address and all things will be come here. And you can also see the picture galleries here. Whenever you click on that, that will becomes for the more pictures. Whenever you click on the picture, it will be show you the picture also. Okay, I'm taking the other link. For example, Kodar International School, school events. So you can see that in the school event, there are many more events are available that we already celebrate in our school. When I click on that, so you can see that there are pictures also come here. Whenever you want to change it, it will become also. Some of the our students are also here. Then you can see that why Podar. Whenever I goes that, there will be a one hand came, white hand, and when I click on that, there will be a new page will be open in front of you. Why you have to be use the Podar? Why you have to be come to the Podar? Then above, you can that about us. What will be what is the school? You can also say see that there will be other white hand come in that. Whenever you click on that, that will be also open the other page that will be related to the previous one. वो previous one के साथ थोड़ा related रहेगा लेकिन पूरा different होगा. यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो कि different different यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे है 92 years experience images. Whenever you click on that, the image will be open differently. If you want to change it, you can see the changes also here. So means whenever you click on the one link, आप एक लिंक पे क्लिक करते हो तो वो दूसरे वेब पेज पे डायरेक्ट करता है. So these are the called the hyperlinks. It will be comes in form of the images or the in form of the text. आप कोई लिंक पे क्लिक करते हो सिंपली. अगर मैं आपको कोई लिंक भेजूंगी एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट यू हैव टू बी रिमेंबर दिस ऑल थिंग्स, you have to revise this topic, you have to be visit this website. At the time, what should you do? You just click on that and you open your web page. That is a one type of link. Means it's not a hyperlink. Whenever you open a website and you click on a one link and it's direct to other web page, it is called the hyperlink. These are the basic concept of the hyperlinks for the old and the new student both. Just because I know that most of the students don't know what is the hyperlink and how the hyperlinks comes. Okay, so what is the hyperlink? Hyperlink is a text or image. As we see that the one hand will become. Whenever you see the hand in the web page, it means it's a hyperlink. आपको दूर से देख के ऐसा लगता था कि वो सिंपल इमेज है. But whenever take a mouse on the cursor on that, that you can see the white hand on that. It means it's a hyperlink. Hyperlink is a text or the image which when clicked opens other web page, image or another file linked to it. सिंपली हमने यहाँ पे देखा था जब हमने इस पे क्लिक किया तो दूसरा पूरा वेब पेज खुला. Whenever I click on this, it will be open only the image. So it is also a hyperlink. Mean differently जो open करके देता है वो सारे hyperlinks ही है. Hyperlink provide a non-linear way to navigating through the web pages. Means there are connection between that. Hyperlinks can be created using the anchor tag, means the a tag. The href attribute of a tag is used to specify the URL or the path of the file that has been linked. For example, we are using a table tag to create a table. For row, we are using the tr tag. For the column, we are using the td tag. For the paragraph, we are using the p tag. Like that, to create a hyperlink in your web page, we have to use the a tag, that is called the anchor tag. And the attribute also given here, that is name is the href attribute. Firstly, you have to compulsorily used here. Compulsory you have to be use the attribute of a tag with the tag, which will be directed from the one web page to another web page. Hyperlinks can be external or the internal. There are two types of the hyperlinks. We are learn them one by one: external and the internal. An external hyperlinks to another file when an interlink is linked to the name location within the same file. एक्सटर्नल इंटरनेम नेम से ही पता चलता है. एक्सटर्नल का मतलब क्या होगा, वो दूसरी ही फाइल होगी, राइट. दैट विल बी अदर फाइल दैट इज कनेक्टेड विद द लिंक. वो दूसरी फाइल होगी. जैसे ही हम लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो वो दूसरी फाइल ओपन करके देगी. बट व्हाट इज द इंटरनल लिंक? इंटरनल लिंक क्या होगा, जब हम लिंक पे क्लिक करेगा तो हम वही वेब पेज की उसकी कुछ डिटेल्स निकाल पाएंगे. दैट्स इट. उसके लिए कोई अलग सा वेब पेज बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट इट विल बी शो द डिटेल्स ऑफ दैट लिंक. The name attribute of a tag is specify the name location in the document. Okay. External link. First we are learning the external link. Okay, simply this is the simple demo is given to you. I will show you the examples here first. Okay, I already made a one document. You can see that simple one, that I'm using a simple paragraph tag and write down some sentence about the hyperlinks. Okay, so first we are going to learn the external. So I'm using the h5 and write down the external hyperlink. Sorry. Hyperlinks, and you have to be closed it. H5 will be closed. First of all, I want to show you the demo. Okay, so hyperlinks in the HTML. First of all, just see the detail again. The tag used to create the link is called the anchor tag or the A tag. A tag has a following attributes. Two attributes you have to be compulsory remember. First is the href. This attribute is actually responsible for the creating the links. This is the syntax. URL means you have to be write down the name. Name. This attribute is used to name a portion of the same document or the another document. Okay, it is used for the portion for the same document or the other document. Simple अगर आपको कोई document insert करना हो, if you don't want to insert any file and you want to insert any document, then you can use this. This portion can be linked by using the href. Compulsory you have to be use the href. Okay. Sorry for some of the interruption if you're hearing. First is the external link, links to the another file or the. Okay, sorry for interruption again. Okay, so here you can see that some of the examples are also given. That is about the some first is the about the one HTML file. If you want to enter any HTML file, then you can also insert any of the GIF or the images or any of the document. Whenever you click on the link, the document will be open. Sometimes whenever some for example on the between us their links are given, and when you click on that, there will be a PDFs are also open on that. So these are the way to interconnect the web pages with the other web page or the document or the images. So let's learn the external link. What is the external link? It's a hypertext link. It is linked between two or the more web pages by use of the word or the text as a link medium. Here the anchor text are used to create the links. सिंपली यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है, बॉडी के अंदर ए टैग का यूज करना है, नेम ऑफ द HTML फाइल और द अदर फाइल, टेक्स्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द लिंक इफ यू वांट टू राइट, बट यू हैव टू बी कंपल्सरी राइट द फॉर द वेब पेज. आप जो भी यहाँ पे लिखोगे वो आपके वेब पेज में डिस्प्ले होगा. सो सिंपली यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया हुआ पार्ट ए, that will be a red sign. Whenever you click on the part A, file 1.html will be open. Whenever you click on the part B, the part B file means the file 2.html will be open. So I will show you the demo here. Okay. So this is the web page. I'm going to use a tag. Simply I'm writing a. Then you have to be write down compulsory href equals to file name, and I will show you the any file from the desktop. यहाँ पे desktop पे है file. Simply if you want to open this one, then you have to just right click. First of all, I will enter any file. Means yeah, I write down the 7 tables file. That will be an HTML file. So I just write down the name 7table.html. बोथ हैव अ कंपल्सरी ऑन द सेम लोकेशन. जिस तरह से हम बैकग्राउंड इमेज के लिए कहते हैं दोनों सेम लोकेशन पे होना चाहिए, वैसे ही कंप्लीट वैसे ही हाइपर लिंक में भी दोनों सेम लोकेशन पे होना चाहिए. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे सेम नेम 7. I have to check the name first, or you can go to the properties and just copy it, just because that will be interruption for us whenever we are writing the wrong name. So I just paste it here, double quote, then close the anchor tag, and you have to write down the name which will be displayed to the वेब पेज. आप यहाँ पे जो भी लिखोगे वो हाइपरलिंक के तरह आपके वेब पेज में डिस्प्ले होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम सिंपली टेक अ डेमो जो आपको बार बार दिखता है, क्लिक हियर एंड डॉट डॉट डॉट, इस तरह से कहीं भी वेब पेज में दिखता है. So then I'm closing the A tag and show you the output here. And output will be here. Sorry, I just forgot to open it. Named is the hyperlinks.html. So you can see on the web page, that is the click here, and that will be comes on the different color, purple color, and whenever I goes to the other text, it will be convert simple arrow will be here. Whenever I go to the click here, it will be show the hand, and whenever I click on that, you can see the previous web page that I made will be here. वो directly open हो जाएगा, and if you visited it once, that color will be changed in the purple. So I right click, open link in the new tab, so it will be opened here. Okay, so this is our main web page. This is the hyperlink used for the different one. If you want to change the name here, for example, you want to write down the same 7 table. Okay, control S, so it will be converted to the 7 table. When I click on that, the page will be open and just go back, right? Okay, this is the simple HTML one. I'm going to use the other one, that is the image. Simply a href equals to, now I'm going to use the image, so you have to be write down the image name. Simply this is the one image. I'm taking the Podar logo, right click on that, go to the properties and just select Control C for the copy, close, go to the notepad again, double quote, Control V, double quote closed, and write down that Podar logo and close the A tag here. Whatever you write down the between the opening and the close tag, that will be displayed as a hyperlink on your web page. Just go to the web page again. Okay, that will be, you can see the difference between the two text. This is comes simply in the purple color just because I visit it once. मैंने एक बार अगर उसको विजिट कर दिया है तो वो पर्पल कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. पर्पल का मतलब क्या होता है, उसको आपने एक बार विजिट कर दिया है. And what is the meaning of the blue one? It means you are not visited on once also. Why they comes both combined? Just because I'm not using the BR tag, I'm going to use it now. So you can see the difference here, and it will be come down. When I click on that, you can see the images will be come in front of our web page, और directly image open करके ही दे देगा आपको. Third one, if you want to open any of the document, I am taking the copy of that. Yes, I have to first write down the BR. Two BRs I'm using just because it will be comes with the difference. And just copied it. Sorry. And paste before it. Okay, so HTML file we done. We are also done the one image. Now we are going to learn for the any document. So here you can see that there are some of the document in front of me, and I'm using this third MATLAB activity. Right click on that, go to the properties, select the name, Control C for the copy, go to the Notepad++ again, and in place of this name, and just paste that with use of the Control V. Now, simply I am write down the MATLAB activity. Remember one thing, I am using the same way. मैंने जो बैकग्राउंड इमेज रखने के लिए किया था वही हाइपरलिंक के लिए भी करना पड़ेगा. मतलब आपकी मेन फाइल, आपका वेब पेज की जो फाइल है वो, फिर आपका जो हाइपरलिंक में आपको जो HTML फाइल रखनी है, इमेज फाइल रखनी है, या फिर कोई डॉक्यूमेंट रखना है, तो सब एक ही जगह पे होना चाहिए. जैसे कि मेरा डेस्कटॉप पे है, तो अगर आपका डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेस पे होगा तो आपका आउटपुट नहीं डिस्प्ले होगा. सेव and see the difference here. So MATLAB activity, when I click on that, so you can see that it will be download directly. Now in the web browser, whenever you put any of the document, it will be download directly here. You can see at the bottom in the downloads, it will be directly open, and you can open with use of that. When you open, it will be open in the Word one. Okay, so this is the Word file that I have put. If you are putting any PDF file, then it will be not happen. It will be show you the output at that time. I will show you if I have any PDF file. Okay, so I just got a one PDF file, copied it to the desktop. Okay, so right click on that, properties, select it and copy to the Notepad++ for your demo. Again, href. If you are not trying it, href, the link will be not in front of you. It will be not displayed. Worksheet. Close the A link, save, and show you the output. I'm using the BR tag here. Sorry. This is the most important topic that will be also used in the future also. You have to just click on that. Whenever you click on that, the PDF file will be open at that time. वो उसी time पे open हो जाएगी. But for the Word, it will be not open at that time. It will be directly goes to the download. Okay, so these are the external hyperlinks we learn only. Next time in the Monday, we are going to learn the hyperlinks, internal hyperlinks, and you have to be careful for the internal. That will be a more difficult and confusing part of this chapter. So be practice of the hyperlink. If you know the external hyperlink very clearly, then it will be not difficulty for the internal hyperlinks. So here I am going to end now, and hopefully that you do the practical and complete your homework of learning by doing. Have a good day. Bye everyone.